How to change wallpaper on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So to change your wallpaper on iPhone, you need to head over to settings, then go to wallpaper. Now you can see your current wallpaper. Just swipe to the left and then tap on the plus icon. Now you can choose from the various themes the default wallpaper given by iPhone, or you can go to your photos and then choose photos from a gallery. Just tap on photos and it will open up your gallery, and then you can choose a wallpaper from there. If not, you can go to emojis and then you can even get emoji wallpapers. You can get astronomy wallpapers, weather wallpapers. Just tap on it and then you'll get your wallpaper choices. Just tap add in the top right corner and you can change your wallpaper. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.